Hi, this is Doug Spiller, and we're once again back at SEMA. I'd like to take you through our new AC lineup. First, we have a 134A refrigerant machine. It's our R3 AC50. We also have a YF machine. It's our R3 AC60. And then finally, what I really want to talk about is our R3 AC80. This is the flagship product for us. It's a dual gas machine. It has two separate tanks inside here. Both are 20 pounds. It has separate lines and hoses for both refrigerant types for both 134A and YF. They change with a simple quick push connect. These are normal couplers that you would see on all your machines. The other thing that is on this same side is a refrigerant identifier. We are identifying both 134A and the YF. So when you change gases from 134A to YF, the system automatically purges the central circuit and then looks for the new gas. If it doesn't detect the new gas, it will stop automatically and tell you to change the hoses. The machine is automatic in its purge, and it happens in less than 3 minutes. It's the fastest changeover from gas in the industry. The final thing that really makes it shines about this is our Android touchscreen. You can use this with up to 3 nitrile gloves on or a leather glove. You can use a vehicle selection. You can type, it shows you all the previous models you're looking for. You can also come in here and type the types of cars. And I could just click on a model. Right now we have the international database being shown. There's a home screen on it as well. The home screen shows you how much refrigerant is in the tanks. Right now we don't have any because it's SEMA. The drain, it also shows you the status of your filters. So when you do a service, that report is stored in a database and then goes to the cloud. This is some services we provided. You can search the database for older customers. So in this case, we got Jesse here. Pulls up the service. It was 12 minutes. We put 20 ounces of refrigerant in. I can print that both thermally here as an option, or I can print it to a Wi-Fi printer. The other thing I can do is I can export it. I can email it to her or email it to maybe the service manager in a facility so they would have record as well. I could change the screen from the dark display to a white display. Just depends on your preference. The other thing that we can do is we can do remote assistance through TeamViewer. So a Rotary employee or a service provider could log into this machine and support you directly from their phone or from a computer and connect directly to the machine. Software updates are provided, they're unlimited. So as the machine and software, or as the data comes through, we'll be able to update that automatically. So as vehicle databases change, or maybe there's a software change for the lift, or the lift. For the AC machines, we could do that as well. And it's all automatic. It's included in the machine. Again, we're super excited to talk to you about our AC machines. If you come by and stop at the booth, we'll be happy to give you a deeper look. And thank you again for coming to SEMA and coming to see us here at Rotary Lift.